Silvan Press is in commercial printing space. We are a 40 years old company. We have a plant in New Bombay, Mahape, and all our printing and everything happens from there. We are into commercial printing in offset as well as in digital segment. Basically, we do a lot of coffee table books, brochures, catalogs, magazines, stationeries, and things like that. If you are in a short-run business, then basically over there the biggest challenge is generating more and more short-run jobs because the run lengths are small and the machine speed is fast. So you need to turn around a larger number of jobs in a day. So now to do that much kind of a generation of jobs, if we add people, it becomes a huge number of marketing team and sales people. And then moment you have a lot of people, then a lot of confusion and a lot of other teething issues creeps in, and the short-term volumes are increasing every day. So it helped being an online presence because a lot of clients who wanted to reach out to us because they were also working from home, they could use this online platform and actually get all their print requirement done online. And we added a lot of new clients also during this period because being available online, we could do like an API integration and all with print buyers and all. Wherever we see an opportunity wherein the client requires short-run print requirement, we shift and migrate them to online. It becomes very easy for them also to manage all the print requirement, and for us also it becomes very easy because there is no human intervention. They upload the file, they select what are the specification in the jobs they want to print on. He puts all the specification, he gets his estimate, he uploads the file, he gets his invoice, and they just complete the entire purchase online, and we get the file, we print and dispatch. So you don't have to do anything. That gives you a lot of time. So order processing becomes really very fast and it saves a lot of time. We always wanted to go in for web to print because that would have automated our print procurement system for our clients. Frankly speaking, now it's 4 years now when we were looking for solution for an online web to print, and we looked out for many vendors who were offering these services. But actually I went personally to meet your team and we were very happy meeting your entire team and seeing the kind of solution what you provide is exactly what we require, and the support that we get from your team, the backend team, is fantastic.